Hi, I'm Cathy Irwin, physical therapist with Illinois Bone and Joint Institute. I'm here today to teach you how to do some quadriceps strengthening exercises following your surgery. The first exercise I'm going to demonstrate today is a quadriceps set. You will turn this way and bring your legs out in front of you. So you can do this exercise on a couch, on a recliner, on your bed. If someone gives you this exercise and you haven't had surgery, you can even go on the floor and do it. The purpose of this exercise is to wake up your quadricep, the muscle in front of your thigh, because often after surgery it goes to sleep or shuts down. So with your legs straight out in front of you, you're going to try and tighten this muscle here without using the muscles behind your leg or your gluteals, your buttock muscles. So you're going to go very gently and you're going to try and tighten this muscle and push into the back of the table here, but it would be your bed, your couch, or your recliner, and then relax. So you're going to tighten again, and she's going to hold it for 5-second count. You should see the kneecap move up. So as you can see, her kneecap is moving when she does it correctly. You could do 20 of those, and as you get stronger, you can increase it to 30, holding each one for 5 seconds, and this will wake up your quadricep. The second quadricep exercise that we're going to instruct you today is called a short arc quad. The purpose of this exercise is to strengthen and build endurance in your quadricep muscle. So once again, you'd be on your bed, on a couch, or you can do this in your recliner. You need to have something that's rolled up. We have this nice little foam roller, but you can roll up a towel or a pillow, and then you're going to have that underneath your knee. Next step is that you're going to tighten your quad muscle and lift this leg up like this and hold it for a count of 5 seconds. Pay attention that the foot is flexed as demonstrated here and not pointed, as when it's flexed, it activates the quad more. And lower. We're going to do that one more time. So when she straightens her knees, she's pushing the back of her knee into the pillow or the towel roll, whatever you have underneath your knee. Her foot is flexed, and she's finished. You would once again do 20 of those, build up to 30, and then you're finished. The third quadricep exercise that I'm going to instruct you in today is called a long arc quad. Once again, this exercise is to help strengthen and build endurance in the quadricep muscle. So you would be sitting on the edge of a couch, a chair, with your back straight. It's nice if you have support back here, but if you don't, at least keep your back straight. Then what you're going to do is tighten your quad and kick your leg up this way. Once again, if you notice, she's flexing her foot, which helps to activate this quadricep muscle. Hold that for a count of 5, and then go ahead and release. And then repeat. As you can see, she's pushing the back of her thigh into the table as she straightens her knee out.